Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to use Roblox hair on Yandere Simulator. First, you'll need to acquire a suitable three-dimensional model converter. This tool is essential for preparing your hair assets. Next, pinpoint the specific Roblox hair file you wish to use. It's crucial that this file is in a widely supported format, such as OBJ or FBX, to ensure smooth conversion and integration into your game. This initial step lays the groundwork for a successful customization. Once you have your chosen Roblox hair, the next step involves converting it into a format that Yandere Simulator can recognize and utilize. After conversion, you'll need to carefully adjust the scale and position of the hair model to fit perfectly on your character. This might involve minor tweaks to ensure it looks natural. Additionally, verify that the texture mapping is correct, as this directly impacts how realistic and appealing the hair appears in the game. Now that your hair model is converted and prepared, it's time to integrate it into Yandere Simulator. You'll need to place the converted hair files directly into the game's designated Custom Assets folder. Following this, you must edit the character's JSON file, adding a specific reference to your new hair asset. This tells the game where to find and load the custom hair. Finally, launch the game and test the hair thoroughly to identify and resolve any potential clipping or visual glitches. To ensure a smooth experience, always remember to back up your Yandere Simulator game files before attempting any modifications. This simple step can save you a lot of trouble if something goes wrong. Furthermore, always source your hair models and conversion tools from reputable and trusted communities. Don't be afraid to experiment with various hairstyles and textures. This is how you'll discover truly unique and personalized looks for your characters. Enjoy customizing your game.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.